What's up, guys, and welcome to the HVAC Dope Show. Today's video is probably going to be the dopest video we have ever made because it is about something basic that you should be doing, and that is changing your air filter. Now, believe it or not, this is probably the most common cause of issues when it comes to HVAC. Now, that being said, I mean by that it is the single most common cause, but it still probably accounts for only 5%, maybe 10% of service calls, but it happens enough that the first thing we ask customers when they call the office and their furnace or air conditioning is not heating or cooling, the first question we asked is, have you changed your air filter? And if you're watching this video, you're either subscribed to our channel, thank you for that, and if you were tuning in for the first time, you're probably wondering where your air filter is. So we are going to cover the most common places to find your air filter. Number one, and this is the first place I look, wherever your furnace or air handler is. Typically, there should be a filter box and a filter rack that your filter slides in and out of, and this is going to be inside the mechanical room somewhere, wherever your furnace or air handler is located. The number two place to check is wherever your return registers are. Oftentimes you will find air filters in the wall or in the ceiling, and all that's required to change them is to pop open the grill. There's normally a few clasps that once you go ahead and unclasp them, you can go ahead and drop down that grill and swap out that dirty filter for a new one. And the third place I would check is in some instances where you have very tight clearances, you might not have space for an actual filter box underneath the furnace. So what the installer might do is cut in a filter door into your return plenum, and you'll see a door that looks like this that you can slide up, and voila, there is your filter waiting to be changed. And these are just some of the most common locations for your air filters, but if you are unable to find it in either of these locations, the next place to look for your filter is inside the furnace cabinet or air handler. And this is not ideal, but we still see some people do this when they install a furnace and they either don't have space for a filter box underneath the furnace, or they're just hacks, and as a result you're stuck having to take off your furnace door every time you need to change your filter. And this is a pain in the ass, and every time I've seen this installed this way, we always recommend an alternative solution because it's rare that this is the only feasible option, although there are instances where it is difficult to retrofit a rack, but again, it's very rare. And that's it. This is a short and sweet video. That's the down and dirty, easy peasy way to change your filter. If you found this video helpful, please throw us a like. It helps out the algorithm, and subscribe to our channel for more dope HVAC content.